How to redeem a code on Chipotle. Hi everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. In this video presentation, we'll be discussing about redeeming a code on Chipotle. So if you're looking to redeem a Chipotle code or coupon, follow the simple steps. First of all, you have to launch any web browser and go to chipotle.com, which will take you to the official website of Chipotle. Click on the Order Now option that is highlighted in red color. And as soon as you click on it, you will be taken to another page from where you can order. For that, you have to sign in or log into your specific account. Select your items and click on Add to Bag. And in the checkout section, enter your promo code or the gift code in the designated text box and click on Apply. If the code is valid, the discount will be applied to your order. Proceed to check out, and if you are ordering in store, inform the cashier about your promo code or the gift code and provide the necessary details. The cashier will apply the discount to your order. So that's how you can easily redeem your Chipotle code within a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated for our future uploads. See you in the next video.